Papalapit na ang Philippine Festival Mississauga, isang malaking pagtitipo ng mga Pilipino sa Greater Toronto Area. Sa kanilang kick-off event, inihayag ang mga bagong aktibidad sa festival ngayong taon. Silipin natin sa report ni Kisha Balatbat.
Pasilip lamang ito sa mga maaasahan sa parating na Philippine Festival Mississauga ngayong Setyembre. Sa media kick-off event ng festival, ipinamalas at ipinatikim ang mga bahagi ng kulturang Pilipino na makikita sa festival.
Introducing new this year, we have a lot of cultural installations, just depicting what we as Filipinos in Canada do, like ang Balikbayan Box, Jollibee, ganyan, mga photo opportunities for people. Actually, we have the Bahay Kubo, we have local performers, and a lot of artisans as well and merchandise vendors.
Ipinagmalaki rin nila ang mga artistang mapapanood, kabilang sina Joey Albert, Odette Quesada at Pops Fernandez. Ang mga ito ang dahilan kung bakit itinuturing ni Karen ng festival bilang pinakamagandang Philippine festival sa Canada. Aniya, malaking tulong ang mga ito sa ekonomiya at mga Pilipinong negosyante. Mahalaga din sa pagsasama-sama ng komunidad.
We are all immigrants here, most of us, and quite often we miss home, di ba? So the festival is a way of reliving and celebrating our heritage, our traditions, and our culture. And it is just fun to celebrate it with people from the same country, di ba?
Masaya ring sinuportahan ng festival na ito ni Minister of Small Business at Member of Parliament ng Mississauga Streetsville na si Richie Valdez, lalo na dahil sa kanyang personal na koneksyon rito.
I was actually here as a vendor myself, popped up in 2018 and 19 selling desserts right outside at Celebration Square. So it's really an honor to celebrate 75 years of Canada-Philippine relations with the PhilFest community. So a big heart thanks goes to the incredible team that have been doing this year after year.
And we were also trying to diversify this year, where we're also trying to attract the next generation. The Gen Y, the Gen Z.
Ngayong taon, layon ng festival na maengganyo ang mga Pilipinong kabataan sa Canada na maging interesado sa kanilang kultura at ipagpatuloy ang pagsagawa ng mga pagtitipong ito.
Without these festivals, my kids who were born here in Canada, even they're of Philippine descent, if we don't have events like this, how are they going to know about their culture? And really, it's also a proud thing to be able to come together as a community, not just Filipinos, but all Canadians. And here in Mississauga, it's such a diverse, rich community. And when we celebrate together, we break down those barriers, and it allows us to have those conversations about, you know what, we have a lot more in common than we do differences.
Sa September 14 at 15 dito sa Celebration Square, ipagdiriwang ang Philippine Festival Mississauga. Libre ito sa lahat ng interesadong matuto sa kulturang Pilipino. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Mississauga.